Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing these cute mom balloons that's perfect for Mother's Day. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the middle heart-shaped balloon. Draw a large heart shape in the center here. Now draw a curved triangle shape in the top right for the reflection. Now under it, draw two small lines down. And then close it off with a wavy line across. And then draw a backwards checkmark shape inside. Now let's draw the M balloon on the left here. Draw a curved M shape on an angle here on the top left. Now draw a U shape on an angle below here. Finish off the right side of the M with a long U shape connecting it back to the heart. Next, continue the left side down. Then close it off with the curve over and back up. Then draw a few highlights on the top of the M. Let's draw the other M on the right in the same way now. Next, draw the tied ends coming off the bottom of both M's in the same way we did for the heart. Then draw lines for the strings coming down for the middle three balloons here. This next part is completely optional. You can stop here, or you can draw a cute face on the heart balloon like this. Start with 2 curves for the eyes. Then 2 eyelashes on either side. And lastly, a small U shape in between for the mouth. And that's it for the set of balloons for Mom. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.